Just show her a little.
Hi friends, let's prepare the tools and material. First, there is an apron. 2. There is small towels. 3. There is hand sanitizer. 4. There is a hand body if needed. 6 is soap. 7. There is acetone used if the patient wears nail polish. Then there is a small comb which contains a special brush for nails and nail clippers. Next, there is a band for removing nail pieces. Then there are hand cone. Finally, there are 4 wash comb basins, each containing warm water and clean water. And we also prepared 2 trash cans. Firstly, there is an infectious. There is a regular trash can. Next, we can add patient orientation. Next, bring the prepare tool closer to the patient. Next, before starting the procedure, explain to the patient how to wash hands properly and correctly using 6 steps. Next, using hand cone and apron. Take a small towel and place it under the patient's hands as a base. Next, soak nail with warm water for 2 to 5 minutes and give a nose soap. Then clean the nails using a brush slowly. Next, then dry the patient's hands with a towel. Next, rinse your fingernails with clean water and dry with a towel. Continue placing the hook under the patient's hand fluid by cutting the patient's nails. Next, ask the patient whether he wants to use lotion or not. Then pour nail lotion and rub it evenly into the patient's hands. Permission for the patient to continue on the leg. Next, adjust the position of the patient's feet and then ask whether the patient is comfortable with the position. Next, place a small towel at the bottom of the patient's feet. Then soak in warm water for 2 to 5 minutes. Give a nose soap and clean the patient's nails using a brush slowly. Next, then rinse it with clean water. Next, dry the patient's feet using a towel. Place the pin under the patient's 2 nails. Continue by cutting the nails until finished. Next, give a nail lotion if the patient wants to use it. Then spread the lotion evenly. If so, rearrange the patient position as before. Then straighten the blackens and replace the bed rails. Next, ask the patient how he feels after the procedure. And finally, tell the patient that you have finished carrying out the procedure and then thank the patient for agreeing to have their nails done.